Now let's call on the starting lineup. First, for the PNP Lady Patrollers. Let's start with their team captain at number 3, setter, Team Bangkola. At number 5, middle blocker, Chris Centucas. Wearing jersey number 7, middle blocker, Cés Oliveros. At number 13, open hitter, Kia Gomez. Jersey number 15, opposite hitter, Malu Padilla. At number 20, open hitter, Mila Ronquillo. Starting libero is number 2, Reza Limsiaco. Head coach is Mr. Ron Pinalba. Now let's call on the starters for the BFP Lady Firefighters. Starting off with number 4, open hitter, Tony Diaz. Jersey number 6, middle blocker, AJ Mamagu. At number 7, setter, Vance Osmilio. Jersey number 8, opposite hitter, Gang Abeliana. At number 17, open hitter, Bex Bentic. Number 18, middle blocker, Fanny Adolfo. Starting libero is number 14, Maya Magpanta. Head coach is Franz Bautista. This is match number 32 of the preliminary round between PNP Lady Patrollers and the BFP Lady Firefighters. Good luck to both teams.
Ito na po, final game of our triple header ngayong Mother's Day special from Paco Arena. Ang 7-1 Lady Patrollers, ito po ang kanilang starting lineup. Very solid para kay Coach Ron Pinalba. And that is why they are one of the teams to beat. Samantalang BFP Lady Firefighters, after a slow start sa ating Season 2, they have racked up consecutive wins. Kaya nga, they are one of the contenders na rin, ranked number 3 sa ating standings out of the 8 teams sa lineup ng Season 2.
Ang BFP talaga ang pinagandaan dito ng kupunan ng PNP. Non-stop daw yung kanilang ensayo, no, going into this ball game. Kasi medyo natakot daw sila dun sa pinakita ng BFP kontra sa AFP the last game.
Well, ngayon, makalalo pa silang kabahan after that block kontra kay Kia Gomez for the first point ng Lady Firefighters. Service just outside para kay Bentic. So it's an error para sa unang puntos ng Lady Patrollers in the opening set. Osmilio inangat. There's Adolfo with her first point.
Adolfo making that attack enter despite the blockers there of the PNP.
So 2-1 start. Very competitive. Para sa parehong koponan ang kanilang first salvo dito. Oliveros is blocked. Oliveros laban sa net and there is going to be a net touch. Tatawag kontra kay Oliveros. Osmilio. Almost, pero tumawid and it's an ace.
It's not anticipated by the PNP right there. That service with a little help from the net care of Osmilio.
4-1 start para sa Lady Firefighters ni Coach Franz Bautista. Bangkola, underhand pass. Gomez, that's gonna be outside. But there is a block touch.
See it from here.
Bahagyang sumabit siguro sa net touch, probably. But it's a point nevertheless para sa Lady Patrollers. Adolfo with a push. Bangkola, pinasa. Ronquillo. Bentic with the first touch. Diaz. Easy over para sa Lady Patrollers. Josmillo. Abellana with a push. Oliveros. Adolfo inangat. Josmillo to Diaz. Bangkola with a first touch. Inangat ni Abellana. Longest rally so far. And Adolfo scores her second point of the game.
Adolfo ending that rally against the PNP. Bring that ball close to the line.
Fanny Adolfo. Nice serve. Limsiaco overpass. Bangkola to Ronquillo. That is an overhit naman para kay Ronquillo.
Too wide and too up for the angle of the ball coming from Ronquillo.
4-point lead. Pinakamalaki para dito sa Lady Firefighters. 6-2 ang ating talaan. Padilla. Cross court. It's outside pa rin. Oh, a very rocky start para sa Lady Patrollers. Now down by 5. Bangkola rallying the troops.
Mababa rin yung set na binigay ni Bangkola there, no? So limited time for Padilla to think where to put that ball.
Pero a service fault para kay Fanny Adolfo. Samantala, napanood natin kanina, 7 years on the service, says Oliveros, serving.
She came all the way from Davao pa talaga, yung family niya, no? Sometimes na-appoint daw siya sa field works, no? Yun yung job niya in Davao.
Natala, take a look at the hit by Abellana. Comes up short. Oliveros hindi na iangat. And right now, let's go to Ira Pablo.
Itong BFP at PNP ang isa sa mga inaabangan na matches dito sa UVL because of their similarities when it comes to their team culture, when it comes to their team composition. Very similar sila pagdating sa trabaho dahil parehas silang umaaksyon tuwing may gulo and parehas silang homegrown ang mga players. Kumbaga considered lahat sila as regular employees. Nagkakaroon lang sila ng mga import tuwing may mga experiences yung ibang mga players when it comes to their collegiate careers. Pero lahat sila ay employed sa kanilang mga institution. So parehas tong dalawang kuponan na naka-housing o naka-barracks lahat ng mga players. So on and off the court ay magkasama talaga sila. And all of them have employees that come from the regional areas. Yung mga galing sa Davao, Cebu, Batangas, lahat sila nagsama-sama dito sa Manila para magsanib puwersa at magpalakas para dito sa UVL. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. A little run para sa Lady Patrollers. There's an up by Oliveros sa palo ni Bentic. Etukas si tinawid ang bola. Adolfo mula sa back row. Mamangun. And that's gonna be outside.
Unti-unti nang nakakahabol dito ang PNP Lady Patrollers. Kanina they were behind it by as much as 4 points. And ngayon 2 points na lang ang hinahabol nila dito.
Actually, 5 yun. Ang hinahabol dito ng Lady Patrollers. So they've scored 3 straight points. Abellana, pinasa kay Bentic with an off-speed hit. Gomez picks it up. Ronquillo off the block. And it's a 4-point run para sa Lady Patrollers.
Although the blockers there of the BFP was ever ready to receive that ball, pero it still went on the side of the BFP.
Chance to tie sa serve ni Padilla for the Lady Patrollers. Adolfo, good pass. Mamangun, got it.
She was very fast on that attack, no? She jumped and delivered that attack very fast.
Ayun ang kailangan para maiwasan nila yung blocking because of at least 2 kill blocks para sa Lady Patrollers. Part of that 4-point run. At Abellana serving Gomez with a good pass. Ronquillo, combination play. That's gonna be 4 touches. Hindi tumama sa block yung palo na yon. So a 2-point run naman ang sagot ng Lady Firefighters to restore a 3-point lead.
I like how the BFP is playing. Tsaka when it comes to playing too close to the net, ang galing-galing talaga ng BFP dito to be able to save the ball.
Gomez, another good pass. This time, Etukas! Blocked by Mamangun. Kagulo ang bench ng Lady Firefighters after this solid block.
Double block there by the BFP, Mamangon and Bentik right in front.
Balik sa 4 ang kalabangan ng Lady Firefighters. Abellana with the serve. Short pass mula kay Gomez. Ronquillo stops the run ng Lady Firefighters and gets a side out.
Take a look at that play. Ronqui delivering that ball. Tumama dun sa mga blockers ng BFP.
Adolfo with the pass. Hosmilio to Mamangon. Nakalusot sa block ni Etucas. Gomez. The dig by Diaz. Eto si Bentik. Down the line!
We would all think that she was going for the cross court, but she just sent the ball straight to that zone 1 for the PNP.
4 ulit ang kalabangan ng Lady Firefighters. Mamangon with the serve. Bangkola to Gomez. Babawi si Kia Gomez with a point. So now Etucas, Crystal Joy Etucas with 1 point serving. Bentik again.
One of the talented players para sa kupunan ng BFP. She can attack the ball, drop the ball anywhere.
Same shot, different place. Parehong puntos para kay Bentik. Back to a 4-point lead. Lady Firefighters running attack for Ces Oliveros. Hosmilio to Adolfo. Ando dun si Padilla for the dig. They go all the way to Kia Gomez off speed. Inangat ni Abellana. Diaz with the left hand. Gomez for coverage. Nasa gitna. Oliveros with the tip. Magpantay. Inangat ang bola. And Adolfo says, ako na, easy over para sa Lady Firefighters. Gomez outside.
Ang ganda ng depensa pinapakita dito ng BFP. They were trying to keep the ball up every time. Trying to save the ball.
Back to the biggest lead ng Lady Firefighters. Lamang sila ng 5. 14 serving 9 opening set. An exciting one sa pagitan ng two of the winningest teams dito sa ating Season 2. Diaz, pinatalbog sa block ni Bangkola. Bangkola sets it up for Gomez. Gomez too close to the net. Hosmilio on a 1-2 play, sends it too wide. Medyo nagmadali si Hosmilio to stop the rally.
Ganda na sana ng mga set na binibigay din ni Hosmilio kanina, no? Just the perfect height for the attackers to deliver that ball. Ngayon lang, minadali niya yung pag-turn ng bola.
Bentik with a pass. Nasa gitna si Adolfo and she is a threat.
Really a threat para sa kabilang koponan because Adolfo on their last game made sure that she had 10 points also delivered on that last game. 9 coming from the attacks and 1 from the block.
Balik ulit ang biggest lead ng Lady Firefighters. So 5 points, that's gonna be double contact kontra kay Bangkola. And a timeout, Rod Pinalba. It's a 6-point cushion para sa Lady Firefighters. Pakinggan natin si Coach Rod.
Ilang, tsagaan lang, tsagaan. Tsagaan nyo lang, ha? I-double block nyo siya. Basta sa harap, ha? Din. Buka mo. Basahin mo yung blocker mo. Walay mo. Basahin nyo naman. Hindi ka na naman open back. Basta iwalay mo yung blocker. Malit naman yung opener. Huwag kayong matakot dun sa, sa setter. Malit naman yun. Ha? Down the line.
Three spikers na mo, di ba? Pasok lang mo, sulod lang mo, sulod. Pag nakita ko lang ang blocker, ibigay ko naman eh. Di na lang, pasok lang.
Pag si Bintik, sini-checker lagi. Dito yan lagi siya. Down the line niya parehas. Anticipate nyo na. Sige, bawi lang.
Dalawa blocker.
Check lang, check lang.
Let's go, let's go!
O, sipahin nyo ng block.
Hey, PNP, team!
Tingnan nyo kasi Tiger.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Naging emotional talaga itong BFP Lady Firefighters after being the only team here in the UVL to defeat the AFP Lady Gunners in 3 straight sets. Talagang nag-iyakan daw lahat sila from the coaching staff up to the players. And para kay Coach Franz, bumalik daw kasi talaga sa kanya lahat ng mga sinabi ng mga doubters sa BFP. Sa akin lang dinisclose ni Coach Franz kung sino itong doubters na to, pero it really affected them emotionally daw, especially during their 0-3 start. So the BFP Lady Firefighters had to rely on themselves and really stay together to overcome that challenge. And para sa kanila, they had to build their mental toughness by themselves. So dati raw kung pag pinag-uusapan itong BFP, sinasabi, BFP lang yung kalaban natin. Pero ngayon sinasabi nila, BFP na. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Tanungin ko nga si Coach Franz. Sino ba yung mga doubters mo, Coach Franz, ha?
Pero sabi niya kanina after their win also against the AFP, no, tama doon yung mental toughness at mas naging hyper daw yung kanyang team. At makikita mo naman, hyper na hyper sila.
Yep.
Starting off with this first set. Ngayon, no, mas naangat pa nila yung laman. They're up by 8 points here. Of course, with that attack
By Diaz. Pero solid kasi itong serving ni Josmilio eh. Sana hindi ko na jinx. Yun, no? Solid yung serve niya eh. Nahihirapan, may iksi yung pasa. And masyadong predictable yung sets ni Bangkola because tinatakbo niya yung second touch eh.
Oo.
9 points, biggest lead para dito sa Lady Firefighters. And parang tuliro ngayon itong Lady Patrollers. They don't know what hit them. Josmilio, another strong serve. And this one a better pass. Gomez. Oh, great dive by Magpantay to keep it alive. Abellana. Bangkola ang naka-first touch. Limsiaco sets it. Padilla. Magpantay. Good coverage again mula sa likod. Adolfo with the tip. Gomez inangat. Oliveros. Abellana. Adolfo. And that will do it. Tumama sa antena yung bola. And that stops the run ng Lady Firefighters. But they've got a solid 8-point lead down the late part of set number 1.
Still a good effort for the team, no? Kasi kahit anong bola yan, habulin pa rin nila to keep it alive and to keep it up.
Pia Gomez serves it wide. Oh, yun ang problema eh. If you're Coach Rod Pinalba, nakakuha ka nga ng isa, pero nagbalik ka ulit ng isa. So it's back to a 9-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. And it's a full front line din. They've got Diaz, Abellana, and Mamagon sa harap. For the Firefighters, Ronquillo, Bentik nagangat. Ito si Josmilio. Goes to Diaz. Block. Josmilio. Mamangun will set it up. Back to Diaz. And the tip is short. Pero may net touch. Itatawag. Kontra sa Lady Patrollers. Pagswerte ka nga naman, Rina, no?
Parang nangyari kanina dun sa isang game natin, no? Error nila pero may net touch pa rin dun sa kanilang kalaban. So, a point for the BFP Lady Firefighters right now who's up by 10 points here.
Naghahanap si Coach Rod Pinalba ng spark plug. So papasok si Vicente, who's a usual starter. Pero ngayon comes off the bench. Paginado also, the backup setter. Papasok ngayon for the Lady Patrollers. Down by 10 points. Who would have thought the number 1 team natin will be down by double digits? 11 na ngayon off a service ace by Fanny Adolfo.
Hirap na hirap sa reception itong kupunan ng PNP ngayon, no? Ang dami ng service aces din na ibibigay dito ang BFP.
Samantala, tatry sanang sumabsi Sumalinog, pero hindi na umabot. Umabot si Praferosa, so she's in. 22-11. Another great serve. Short pass by Limsiaco. Paginado to Vicente, her first touch. Josmilio. Abellana, underhand pass. Praferosa with a hit. Block. Bentik. Mamangun. Through the block. Paginado. Tinawid ang bola. Josmilio. Abellana magsiset. Praferosa papalo. And Kia Gomez with the receive. Ronquillo got it.
That's a nice cross-court attack coming from Ronquillo with a little help from the net also targeting zone 5.
Samantala, substitutions para sa parehong koponan. Tejada will check in for the first time para sa Lady Patrollers. And then Sumalinog makakapasok na for the Lady Firefighters. Ten-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. Praferosa sets it up. Mamangun. And Mamangun will score. Oh, no, not yet. Oh, yes, she will. A third ball goes wide para sa Lady Patrollers. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Lady Firefighters.
Both receivers from the PNP nakatalikod sa net. So, hindi nila nakita if it was going outside, no? Yung i-deliver nilang bola.
Paginado. Ronquillo off speed. And si Bentic out of control yung first touch. So Vicente will serve para sa Lady Patrollers. Down by 10 points. That serve is wide. So it's gonna be 11 set points para sa Lady Firefighters. Parang hindi pa yata pinapawisan dito itong mga taga-BFP.
Oo. And ang ganda kasi nung teamwork din ng kanilang kupunan ngayon, no? Parang nag-improve talaga sila from their first few performances in the first round. Talagang makikita mo ngayon, team effort sila kung maglaro. May communication and they move along with the ball.
A lot of energy as well. Ang ganda ng movement nila on the floor. Service error para kay Sumalinog, pero Bentic with a push. Turned away by Paginado. Back row, Praferosa. Isa na lang kailangan putos ng Lady Firefighters. Ito, Sumalinog sets it up. Bentic for the winning point. Kapos. One set point given up by the Lady Firefighters.
Now we have Ronquillo on the service line.
Amangon inangat. Back row, Fanny Adolfo. And Adolfo connects and wins the first set para sa Lady Firefighters.
It was really the alertness nitong kupunan ng BFP, no? Alam nila agad kung saan babagsak yung bola dito. Trying to save the ball and put the ball up all the time.
Adolfo with 6 points. Top scoring para sa Lady Firefighters, followed by the 4 of Bentic. Lamang din sila sa aces with 3. No aces para sa PNP. And their top scorer is Ronquillo, only with 4 points. Kulang na kulang sa atake itong Lady Patrollers. And they fall by 10 points. 25-15 in the opening set. BFP, 1-0 kontra sa PNP. Going to set number 2. With a receive. An outstanding and commanding win in the first set para sa Lady Firefighters. 25-15 kontra sa league-leading Lady Patrollers.
Ang ganda kasi ng mga coverages, floor coverages nitong kupunan ng BFP. Halos lahat ng bola na sasalo nila dito sa kupunan ng PNP. At marami din silang chances to convert those attacks. And 2 points para sa kanilang kupunan. Although they had errors also dun sa kanilang kupunan. But syempre, nalilimitahan nila yon because mas marami silang nasisave na bola dito.
So, maraming adjustments para kay Coach Rod Pinalba coming into set number 2. They seemed like hindi sila makahanap ng solution against the activity, both on offense and defense, para sa Lady Firefighters who were so good on both ends. Wala ka mahanap ng putas na weakness in that first set performance. Samantalang ang PNP, they struggled in so many aspects. Ang dami nilang errors. And they also, yung kanilang opensa just struggled against the reception. Hindi nga masyado sa blocking because only 2 blocks sa Lady Firefighters. There's 1 block from the Lady Patrollers, pero yung coverage napagod na lang sa kakapalo kasi balik ng balik yung bola because of the coverage, the floor defense ng Lady Firefighters. Set number 2 just about to get underway. It is the same starting lineup para sa Lady Patrollers, and yeah, also the same para kay Coach Franz Bautista and the Lady Firefighters. Osmilio and company are at 5 wins and 3 losses sa ating standing, samantalang 7-1 si Tin Bangcola ng ating Lady Patrollers. So dikit na dikit yan sa ating standings. Oh, magpantay. Had second thoughts. It looked like it was going outside. Kinuha niya and she was unsuccessful.
misfooting also on the part of Magpantay, no? Kaya hindi niya nakuha yung bolang yon.
And that's gonna be double contact kontra sa Lady Firefighters. Now, this is the kind of start you want if you're Coach Ron Pinalba. After losing by 10 in the first set, ngayon, 2-0 start para sa Lady Patrollers. And that one really outside. Sinumubok pa si Bangkola Baka habuli uli ni Magpantay ito.
Pero ang layo nung bola dun sa line.
So first point para sa Lady Firefighters off an service fault ni Tin Bangkola. Ito yung serve ni Osmedio. Nagpahirap to sa Lady Patrollers kanina. Ito na naman tayo.
Once again, Osmedio making that powerful and magical service, no, is para sa kanyang kupunan. And right now, she has 3 on the service aces.
Good pass from Ronquillo. Oliveros, yes! After the 2-point run, Lady Firefighters, pupunto si Oliveros to get the side out. Lamang ulit ang Lady Patrollers ng isa. Abellana passes, Bentic with a push mula sa back row. Bangkola to Padilla. Bentic inangat with one hand. Diaz cross court. It's outside.
It was a 2-wide cross-court attack coming from Gomez, making the ball outside.
So 2-point run naman ulit para dito sa Lady Patrollers. 4-2 ang ating talaan. Pagpantay with a bad pass. Chance ball para sa Lady Patrollers. Combination play, Ronquillo blocked by Abellana pero lumusot ang bola. This is a 3-0 run para sa Lady Patrollers. They lead 5-2.
Good decision by Ronky right there. It touched the hand there of the blocker, no? Pero biglang umusog palikod kaya nabutasan, bumalik yung bola sa BFP.
Adolfo, cross court. Sabi niya, tama na. Stops the 3-point run ng Lady Patrollers. Adolfo with 7. And she's done everything. 5 attacks, 1 block, 1 ace. Short pass, Bangkola to Ronquillo. Lumusot sa double block, Bentic with a dig. Pero too close to the net, hindi na nahabol ni Diaz.
Ronquillo always loves that cross-court attack, no? When she's there in front, yan lagi yung ginagawa niya.
Para kay Ronquillo, that's gonna be point number 6. Osmedio. Abellana, nasa gitna. Yes!
Abellana was able to outsmart Etucas right there.
Kita mo, may konting gigil sa mukha ni Abellana as she was approaching. 2-point game. Former Lady Tamarao Diaz with the serve. That's gonna be outside. Back to the biggest lead para sa Lady Patrollers. They're up by 3. Padilla ang nagsaserve. Overpass. And Etucas will get her second point of the game.
Etucas, binigay lang agad yung bola dito kay Abellana, no? Kaya hindi na nakaset para dito sa dig niya si Abellana. She was not ready.
Puntahan natin itong report ni Ira Pablo.
It's nice to see Hazel Magpantay suited up para dito sa PNP Lady Patrollers. Tumakas pa nga kami nitong si Tin Bangkola kay Hazel Magpantay na sana hindi umabot kay Hazel na na-report na dito sa UVL for her possible knee injury. Hindi nga napanood ni Hazel Magpantay yung game na yon pero may nag-send daw ng report kay Hazel Magpantay. But other than that, ito talaga yung personality ni Hazel Magpantay. She doesn't really like showing any signs of weakness, lalo na true to her personality and true to her profession as well as a police staff sergeant. So Hazel just really wants to be here para sa kanyang kupunan and that's exactly what she's doing right now. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Service ace para kay Abellana. Well, it's nice to see nga. Andiyan na si Hazel Magpantay. And she's ready to contribute. She's suited up. Nag-warm up din siya kanina. But a run here para sa Lady Firefighters after being down by 4 points. They have scored 3 straight. Another good serve. Short pass. Underhand na lang yung set ni Bangkola. Ronquillo, easy over. Mamangon tips it over. And that's the 4th straight point para sa Lady Firefighters to tie the game. Natatawa na lang doon si Coach Bautista. Sabi niya, ano nangyari?
Oo nga, kasi even though Mamangon was not facing directly dun sa kanilang sa PNP side, no, na-deliver niya yung bola just near that line.
Another good serve from Abellana. Ronquillo. Diaz with the pass. Ito si Mamangon. Got it! And 5 straight points already para sa run na ito ng Lady Firefighters to take the lead. They're up by 1, 9-8.
Back-to-back points coming from Mamangon right here. Mamangon on their last game against the dito no sa PNP, no, she contributed 8 points also for the team.
Overpass. There's a block by Bentic. 6 straight points scored by the Lady Firefighters. Lamang na sila ng dalawa. Ta-time out si Coach Rod Pinalba dahil yung kanyang kupunan after that point by Bentic, napako na sa 8.
Lagyan nyo ng magandang pasa. Kasi pag wala tayo receive, paano makakapala spiker natin? Tara. Skarte naman sa sa play. Ganda nyo receive. Receive tayo. Receive lang, receive.
Ganyan talaga yung pwesto nyo, ha?
Huwag nyo kasi mamadaliin.
Wala lang tayong first ball. Kaya naka...
Kasi magbasa short. 4 ako. Dili, mag-receive. Ako na? Salit ko. Okay. Ito mo, likod na magugo.
Sa'yo yun, short ball. Pag-iya, wala kang ibang dyan. Wala kang kapalitan. Totoo lang.
Nalalaglag lang yung bola sa atin, dinadrop lang nila. Chance ball, patay pa.
Oy, tara. Hindi natin makukuha ito basta-basta. Magtrabahuan natin to, ha?
Eh, magpatayo kayo sa bola.
And I guess they know it. Nakadinig nyo si Tin Bangkola towards the end. Hindi natin makukuha ito basta-basta pagtrabahuan natin. They know how good the Lady Firefighters are at nararamdaman nila yung effects ng talent and the coaching. Talent ng players and the coaching ni Franz Bautista.
Oo, tsaka ang galing yung mga drop balls din talaga ng BFP, no? Talagang nadadala nila dun sa mga butas o mahirap talagang saluhin para sa koponan ng PNP.
Bentic. Pinangat ni Oliveros. Here comes Ronquillo. Blocked by Mamangon. Mamangon picks up the first touch. Mamangon with the tip. Kinapos, and that stops the 6-point run ng Lady Firefighters.
Let's take a look at that play.
Nagulat kasi siya na babalik pala sa kanya yung bola.
Oo.
Pasmillo, inangat. Bentic with a push. Inangat ni Etucas. Bangkola to Gomez. Inangat ni Adolfo. Abellana. Ronquillo with a dig. Gomez again. Outside. No, it's on the line. So a 2-point run para sa Lady Patrollers to tie the game at 10.
Gomez was lucky to be able to deliver that cross-court attack, no? Just down the line there for the BFP.
Abellana with a better pass. Mamangon. Inangat ni Revi Salas. Gomez. Osmillo to Bentic. Riveros with the pass. Etucas. There's Diaz. Abellana. Longest rally. That's going to be a tough pass. Di maganda yung first touch ni Oliveros. And that stops the 2-point run ng Lady Patrollers. Lalamang ulit ang BFP.
Gusto pa sanang habulin ni Ting na Bangkola doon para iset niya yung bola. Pero tumama na siya doon sa net din
So Abellana, that's her 4th point of the game. Mamangon with 4 also. Salas with a good pass. Ito si Kia Gomez. Blocked, but it goes outside. So side out para sa Lady Patrollers to tie the game at 11.
Ang ganda ng mga set na dinideliver din ni Team Bangkola dito kasi alam niya kung kaninong attacker niya gustong dalhin yung bola.
Bentic. Padilla, back in the game. Gomez. Diaz, a wild pass. Kinuha ni Bentic. Here comes Fanny Adolfo. Yes, Fanny Adolfo. Binalik ang BFP sa Kalamangan, up by 1.
That time around, she made sure to target Ronquillo there.
7 points para kay Fanny Adolfo. That's her first point. Dito sa, make that 8 points. That's her second point in set number 2. Bentic with the serve. Easy pickup para kay Bentic on the 1-2 play. Diaz. Block! Oliveros with a kill block to tie the game at 12. Oliveros' 4th point. That is her first block. Team Bangkola. Good server. Fanny Adolfo. Inangat ni Linciaco. Tia Gomez down the line. Dig by Magpantay. Diaz with the pass. Gomez again. And it's on the line. Lady Patrollers up by 1 on a 2-point run.
Swerte ng mga atake din ni Gomez, no, na the ball is not outside. It's just down the line, no, for the BFP.
Gomez with her 4th point. Fanny Adolfo. Oliveros, nayangat ang bola. Battle at the net. Nice step by Adolfo to get the side out. And they tie the game at 13. Sipag ni Adolfo sa gitna. That's her 9th point of the game. Oliveros with a tip.
That time it was not anticipated by the BFP that it would go on the side in the front.
So lalamang ulit ang Lady Patrollers by 1. Seesaw battle sa parehong koponan. Here in set number 2 after a 10-point win by the Lady Firefighters in the first set. Diaz with a high drop. Padilla. It's a dig by Josmillo. Fanny Adolfo. Pinasa ni Gomez. Here comes Oliveros. Back-to-back points para kay Oliveros.
Ganda nung mga binibitawan dito also ni Oliveros, no? Lumalagpas dun sa kamay ng blockers ng BFP. And this time around, mas nagiging alisto na rin, an alert na rin ang PNP, especially close to the net.
2-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Make that a 3-point lead. Service ace para kay Kia Gomez. And tatawag ng timeout si Coach Franz Bautista. Look at the pass, out of control. We'll listen to BFP.
Ako kung pwede huwag yung hayaang yung pumapalo na iiwan na lang dun. Abang tayo, nakatayo na lang lahat kanina. Yung nablakan si Tony. Anticipate na babalik ang bola at babalik, okay? Huwag niyong ipapako yung mga paa nyo sa sahig, kung pwede. Kasi hindi lalapit sa inyo yung bola. Kayo may mga paa yung bola, wala. Habol tayo, habol tayo. Tatlo lang yan, oh.
Yung middle nila, ano nila, sabayan nyo na lang.
Ganito gawin nyo, ha. Wala kasi tayong first ball. So, kumuha muna tayo ng first ball. Nasa si, Tony, tsaka nasa si Bentic. Kuha muna tayong first ball. Pag nakakuha tayong first ball, patayin nyo agad yung kung kanino man isa-set, ha. Tapos, kuha ulit tayo ng bola pag pumapalo sila. Ganun lang, ha. Tapos yung blockings, kapit. Yung middle naman sinaswipe lang eh. Hindi ang pinapalo eh.
Game.
Pasok nyo lang yung kamay.
Tatlo lang yan. Ilaban na natin, ha.
Kanina, 4 yung hinabol ng Lady Firefighters to take the lead. Pero ngayon, they're down only by 3. Let's go to Ira Pablo.
During the timeout, sabi ni Coach Franz Bautista na wag daw ipapako ng BFP Lady Firefighters yung mga paa nila sa ground. Pero off the court, ang sinasabi ni Coach Franz ay ipako nga nila yung paa nila on the ground. Dahil nga sunod-sunod yung panalo nila at natalo pa daw nila yung defending champions. There is a possibility na medyo lumaki nga daw talaga yung ulo nitong BFP Lady Firefighters. At sabi ni Coach Franz, once may magsimulang magyabang, dyan na magsisimula yung downfall ng BFP. Pero sabi ni Coach Franz Bautista, she's very thankful dahil wala daw pasaway dito sa BFP. Lahat daw nakikinig kay Coach Franz, lahat daw very humble, and lahat sila, they're still acting like malayo pa daw sila sa kanilang end goal. Balik sa inyo. Maraming
salamat, Ira, pero cannot get a run here after that error ni Diaz. So balik sa dalawa o tatlo ang kalabangan dito ng Lady Patrollers. Pero nice tip. Back-to-back points para kay Abellana.
Although mas marami na rin yung errors na nakomit dito ng BFP compared to their first set here, no? So it's one thing na kailangan ma-minimize dito ng Lady Firefighters.
Ronquillo, lumusot sa double block and scores!
Galing ng switching ng players dito sa kupunan side of the PNP right there. Akala na si Etukas would want to attack that ball, but it was given to Ronquillo.
3-point lead para kila Padilla and the Lady Patrollers. Good pass, Josmillo to Mamangon. And Mamangon will score. That's going to be her 5th point. Dalawa hinahabol ng Lady Firefighters. Abellana, a good server, already with 1 ace. 6 points total para kay Abellana. Short pass. And going to be an easy over. Pagkakataon ng atake para sa Lady Firefighters. Here's Mamangon. Got it!
See that play with Mamangon delivering her cross-court attack down to zone 5.
6 points para kay Mamangon, all coming from attacks. Sana lang hinahabol dito ng Lady Firefighters. Short pass again. Another easy over. Chance sa umatake. Back row, Abellana. Oh, that's gonna be wide. Sayang yung paghabol. So instead of tying the game, balik sa dalawa ang hinahabol dito ng Lady Firefighters.
But Abellana so far has contributed a lot para din sa kupanan ng PNP, no? Meron na siyang 5 attack points dito with 1 service ace.
Another bad pass. So a chance ball naman. Pagkakataon ng atake for the Lady Patrollers. Diaz from the back row. Short pass. Gomez. Abellana, ito, Josmillo. They go to Bentic. Picked up by Oliveros. Gomez on the attack. Nope. Mamangon asking for it. And that is it.
Went too far para sa kupunan ng PNP. Kaya they were not able to save that ball.
Sacrificing her body. Si Tin Bangcola, yung kalamangan nila down to 1 again. They led by as many as 4. Pero chance to tayo on the Mamangon serve. Mamangon looking for her first ace. Salas with the pass. Etukas is blocked and we're tied. The run is complete. 19 on set number 2.
Nobody was ready to receive that ball, no? Coming from the blockers of the BFP. Hindi naging ready si Team Bangcola that time.
Now for the lead. 19 all. The serve by Mamangon. Gomez outside. Attack fault by Kia Gomez. Pero may net touch itatawag kontra sa Lady Firefighters. So lalamang ang Lady Patrollers. Take a look. May papakita natin dito sa replay. Wala na. So the serve by Etukas. 2019 ang ating talaan. Josmillo. Tiffany Adolfo. Yes! Adolfo ties the game at 19.
Not a good reception coming from Kia Gomez.
And again, looking for the lead. Bentic is serving. Bentic, wala pa ring ace. Gomez. Josmillo. Pani Adolfo. Padilla inangat. Gonna be a chance ball. Diaz. Adolfo again. Ronquillo with a dig. 1-2 play para kay Oliveros. Josmillo. Diaz. Block. Adolfo with a push. Pinasa ni Limsiaco. Here comes Gomez again. And Gomez tips it in.
Tumama na dun sa kamay ni Adolfo, but it still went in for the BFP.
Talamang ang Lady Patrollers after that shot by Kia Gomez. Praferosa will check in for Diaz. Bangcola, who is serving. Adolfo. Yes! Adolfo ties the game. 12 na ang puntos ni Adolfo. First player in double digits. Josmillo, a really good server. Kia Gomez. Nangat ni magpantay. Josmillo. Praferosa. And that's gonna be 4 touches. Kontra sa BFP. Kapos, hindi umabot sa blockers yung palo ni Praferosa. So, lalamang na naman ang Lady Patrollers. At pantay with the pass. Abellana. Got it. Naghahabol man ng BFP pero nakakadikit sila. We're tied at 22. Para kay Abellana, that's her gotta be 7th point already. We'll check that. Right now, it's at 6.
Butas na butas din kasi yung kamay ng mga blockers ng PNP that time.
Ronquillo, block, pero it goes outside. Lalamang na naman ang Lady Patrollers by 1. 23-22.
Good defense showing for the part of the PNP right here, no? Ito at least dikit na sila, lambang na sila dito sa larong ito as opposed to the first set action.
Bangcola to Padilla, no blockers. Good up para kay Adolfo. Praferosa. Oh, back-to-back errors para kay Praferosa. And it's 2 set points para sa Lady Patrollers. At tatawagin ni Coach Bautista ang kanyang huling timeout dito. After this error by Praferosa, coming off the bench here in set number 2.
Kayang-kaya pa yung habulin. Kayang-kaya pang habulin. Sipagan nyo. Ito yan, oh, tsaka ito. Kapitan nyo lang. Ang haba pa niyan. Hanggat walang pumipito, hindi pa tapos, ha? Gapangin natin to sa atin. Huwag nyo nang pahirapan yung sarili natin. Sige, sige. Kaya pa ba, Ben?
Kaya natin yan, kaya yan.
Oh, ganito dalawa lang naman yan. Kumuha mo tayo ng 1 puntos. Pag nakakuha tayo ng 1 puntos, yung mag-service, tumarget kayo. Tapos, kapag pumalo sila, pilitin natin madepensahan or ma-block. Pag nakuha natin, patay tayo, all 24 yan. Tapos, saka na ulit natin gawin yung gagawin natin.
Let's go!
A lot of motivation coming from the BFP right there. 1 point at a time. Kayang-kaya pa nila to be able to save this match, no? Kasi ayaw na rin nilang pahirapan yung sarili nila. Dahil kung makukuha nila itong match na to, ang kailangan na lang nila is 1 more set to be able to win this match. Sayang kasi yung effort nila on the first set also.
That's
Masyadong
right.
maganda na yung pinakita nila on that set.
Oliveros, ito si Ronquillo, atake. Chance to score here. Get the side out. Mamangon is blocked. Mamangon set sila. Praferosa, papabawiin. Praferosa struggling. Ronquillo, outside. So 1 set point thrown away by the PNP.
Napakalakas masyado yung atake dito ni Ronquillo.
At si Coach Pinalba naman, gagamitin yung kanyang huling timeout. We'll listen in. They still have 1 set point.
Tatlo kayo? Pilitin mo tatlo spiker mo. Kausapin mo na spiker mo. Tatlo spiker mo.
Pag nakita ko walang blocker sa kamay mo, diretso ko na. Oo, pasok ka na.
No, ano kaya? Pag nasa yun na, bago mo na.
Ilang. Bangs, iwalay mo lang ha. Pagatin mo yung wigger ha.
Pahagatin mo. Okay? Bangs, pahagatin mo lang ha. Ronggi! Walang doubt. Paluin mo ng paluin ha. Pag single block ka, paluin mo. Sige lang.
Okay, isa lang. Isang receive. Isang magandang pasa lang.
Tapos ha, tapos.
Kaya, kapit tayo.
Hey. TMP!
Pag pumasok yung cruiser,
One good receive for the PNP right now. They're at set point here. So isa na lang yung kailangan nila. And kailangan lang wag na silang mag-error dito, no, para hindi pa magkaroon ng chance dito ang BFP na makahabol sa kanilang kupunan. Of course, kahit medyo nagkaka-error on and off itong si Ronquillo, still Coach Rod Pinalba telling her na don't hesitate pa rin to do those attacks.
Traperosa ilalabas. Diaz will check back in. Big serve coming up. They need an ace. Short pass. Ronquillo off the block. Chance to tie. Abellana. Ronquillo easy over. Another chance to tie. Mamangun against 3 blockers. Oliveros mula sa likod. Josmillo inangat na Bentic. Easy over. Pangcola. Etukas. And the save. That is no good from Abellana. And that'll do it. Ang PNP able to win by 2 points in set number 2.
Good attacks also coming from the side of the PNP right here. Sa simula pa lang talagang pinukpok na nila ng mga atake dito ang kupunan ng PNP.
So we're tied at 1 set apiece. Bumawi ang Lady Patrollers in set number 2. It was a close one, but they got the win in the end. To Mamangun. And Mamangun. Pinasa ni Limsiaco. Here comes Gomez again. And Gomez. Adolfo. Yes. Adolfo ties the game. Ipadilla. No block. Good up para kay Adolfo. Back to back.
Dance Cam is on again right here inside the Paco Arena at the UVL Games. And ngayon, meron akong 3 players na hinamon from our Senate Lady Defenders. We have Ellen, Steph, and Mela na kanina pa ata sila nagsistretching for this one. Sabi ang balita pa daw, I think si Ellen ba yung madaming followers sa TikTok? 300,000 daw yung followers niya sa TikTok. Paki-follow na lang daw siya. So guys, same lang yung gagawin natin for the dance cam. So we will flash dance challenge on screen, then gagayahin nyo lang. So pakita ang mga todo moves dyan at paghataw-hataw. If you are ready, guys, let's bring in our first dance challenge. Ayan, pa-cute lang tayo dyan. Tignan natin kung anong moves ng maraming followers sa TikTok. Ayan, second dance challenge, please. Ayan, Michael Jackson. I-Billie Jean nyo yan. Nag-stretching pa ata si Mela for this one. Third dance challenge, please. Robotics. Ayan. Thank you again for being on game and participating sa dance challenge, guys. Any message para sa team nyo for the next games?
Siguro, teamwork, yun talaga yung mag-work sa lahat ng teams, hindi lang sa Senate. Pero syempre, kailangan namin iangat yung standing namin dito sa second na round robin.
Thank you again for participating and good luck sa mga next games, and thank you for supporting UVL Season 2.
And of course, the Senate winning that second set. So one apiece for both the BFP and the PNP right here on this match, no? As you can see on that last set, no, halos pantay lang naman yung binigay nila. They had so many attack points here. Maganda rin ang pinakita ng BFP. But it's just the PNP converting a lot of points there and making sure that the coverage is there for the team and also minimizing errors para sa kanilang koponan. Diaz with that attack. And first point for the BFP Lady Firefighters. This time around, we have Bentik na magsuserve na ngayon. Bentik, the top scorer on their last game with 17 points.
And that hit is outside para kay Oliveros. So, after losing in the second set, a good start para dito sa Lady Firefighters.
This time around, sila naman yung starting out strong, no? Ang BFP Lady Firefighters.
Good serve by Bentik. And a 3-0 start para sa BFP.
So right now, si Bentik has 6 points, no? That she has contributed already for her team.
Good pass by Ronquillo. Pagkakataon ng matake. Kia Gomez popped up by Magpantay. Diaz. Ronquillo again. Uulit si Gomez and Magpantay with another great dig. Gosmillo to Fanny Adolfo, and that's on the line.
Let's take a look at that last play.
4-0 start. After losing only by 2 points in the second set para sa Lady Firefighters. Gomez with the pass. Bangcola. Pinatid kay Gomez. Two-handed push para kay Gomez. Josmillo. Adolfo got it again. Back-to-back points para kay Fanny Adolfo. May 14 na siya.
Second time around in this set that Adolfo was bringing that ball on that corner down to zone 1. Bentik still on the service.
Oh, 5-0 start, Lady Firefighters. That tip to Bawid, overpass, and it's outside para sa unang puntos ng Lady Patrollers. Team Bangcola. Good pass by Bentik. Fanny Adolfo again. Oh, wait a minute. Lumusot ang bola. Abellana. And it's popped up by Ronquillo. Bangcola to Oliveros. Abellana with a dig. Ito si Diaz with a tip. Easy pickup para kay Bangcola. Gomez through the block. Limsiaco with a dig. Oliveros ulit. This one is outside.
Ganda rin ang floor defense ng dalawang koponan, both PNP and the BFP, no? Talagang they move with the ball. They move as one also here.
6-1 para sa Lady Firefighters. Pospiglio again serving. May dalawang ace na to. Good pass by Padilla. Gomez. Yes! Actually, 3 aces na pala si Osmilio. But a nice hit by Kia Gomez there. Nag-iinit na si Gomez after struggling in the first set.
Pinalikan niya si Osmilio na hindi nasalo yung kanyang bola.
Gomez with 7 points already. Chance ball. Bangcola to Ronquillo. Yes! Back-to-back points para sa Lady Patrollers. So 2-point run for PNP. And Pantay with a good pass. Adolfo. Got it.
Adolfo, napakalakas ng kanyang atake. Kaya kahit may dalawang blockers doon sa kanyang harap, nabutas yung kanilang kamay with that ball.
7 serving 3. And that goes outside para kay Fanny Adolfo. Says,
if actually BFP wants to win this game, no, they have to protect the lead right now. Ayaw nilang makadikit dito ang PNP or ayaw nila na sila naman yung maghahabol dito against the PNP.
Cosmilio to Mamangon. Yes! Right now, everybody doing it right para sa BFP to lead by 4. Puntahan natin itong report ni Ira Pablo.
Dalawa ang nicknames na binigay sa atin nitong si Mila Ronquillo. Yung isa Mila, yung isa Ronqui Ronquillo. Ronqui daw yung tawag sa kanya ng kanyang pamilya and yung close friends niya. Pero pagdating dito sa volleyball, she wants to be addressed as Mila. So itong si Mila, nung high school pa lamang, ay gusto na niya talagang pumasok sa PNP. So right after graduating from Holy Cross of Davao College, ay pumasok na siya agad dito sa PNP pagkatapos niya sa kursong criminology. So kakatapos niya lang sa basic training program nitong PNP and she's still waiting for her destination. But right now, she is already considered as a patrol woman. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. And right on cue, Ronquillo pumalop at there's a good block at the net para sa Lady Firefighters. Take another look.
Abellana and Mamangon, and it touched the hand of Mamangon.
6 points.
Mila pala ang dapat na tawag kay Ronquillo. Kasi ako Ronqui ng Ronqui. Akala ko close na kasi kami. Mila pala dapat sa volleyball. Okay. Family and friends lang pala yung tumatawag na.
Malay mo naman. Close na kayo. So it's a 5-point game. Make it a 6-point game again. Padilla service fault. Abellana serving coach Rod Pinalba. Kita nyo medyo concerned dahil ang laki ng habulin nila dito. Nice serve. Etukas. Dig by Abellana. Wait a minute. Double contact. Kontra kay Josmilio.
Ganda na sana ng set doon ni Josmilio, but it's double contact on her.
6 serving 11. Ang baba kasi ng mga pasa recently. Resulting in a few errors para dito. Back-to-back faults para sa Lady Firefighters. Much better. No, actually, it's a worse pass. Abellana, dalawang bad passes and now it's a 3-point run para sa Lady Patrollers.
Abellana should have put the ball up, no? Kaya lang hindi niya masyadong na-control yung bola. Medyo too close to the net na for Josmilio to be able to get the second one.
Another low pass and another error here. No, naitawid. Good job by Bentic. Pero kagulo sila ngayon and the scramble will result in another easy over para sa BFP. Kia Gomez, the up by Adolfo. Ito si Bentic, first attack in the rally. Etukas with a dump attempt. Mamangon sa net touch. Etukas on the way up.
Kitang-kita yung net touch na yun coming from Etukas. Easy point right here for the Lady Firefighters. Ang ganda na sana ng sequence na yun.
Four-point lead para kila Mamangon and the Lady Firefighters. Their lead was as high as 6 points. Gomez. Ngati Diaz. Abellana. Etukas. That is popped up by Diaz. Chance ball para sa PNP. Bangkola to Gomez. High tip, easy first ball. And Adolfo puts it away.
Smart player talaga itong si Adolfo, no? Maximizer when she's also in front for the BFP.
Sumalinog will check in. Papaltan si Bentic. Lamang ng 5 ang Lady Firefighters. Revy Salas with the low pass. Josmillo. Sumalinog. Bagong pasok lang. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Abellana pops it up. Josmillo. Ito si Adolfo. Gomez. Blocked by Adolfo. It's back to a 6-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters.
Good job there. The two blockers of the BFP, Josmillo and Adolfo was there.
Another short pass para kay Revy Salas. Kia Gomez bounces it off the block and it goes outside. May touch, wala daw. So it's now the biggest lead para sa Lady Firefighters. They are up by 7 points. Ta-timeout si Coach Rod Pinalba.
Bagsak nyo ba? Bibigyan kayo ng tinapay eh. Lagyan ng force. Kung mag-drop ball man kayo, lagyan nyo ng pwersa.
Ma'am, wala din sa atin. Pag pumapalo, walang nagko-coverage ba? Suporta tayo sa spiker. Eh, malakas ang blocker nila eh. Kunin natin, makukuha tayo ng coverage.
Tsaga lang, tsagaan nyo. Unti lang yan, oh.
One point at a time. One point at a time.
Sige!
Lalagay lang.
Let's go! Direction ito.
Still patience on the part here for the PNP. No? Yan ang sinabi sa kanina ni Coach Rod Pinalba. And they have to make sure na lagi silang nakabantay and ready door. Especially malakas yung mga blockers dito. Yung front line ng BFP right now. Especially Adolfo is in front. Samahan mo pa dyan si Josmillo na nasa harap din ngayon.
6 blocks already para sa Lady Firefighters. Dadalawa lang para sa Lady Patrollers. Josmillo inangat. Sumalinog. Aatake. There's a block. Right now, Adolfo. Popped up by Oliveros. Kia Gomez. Abellana with the pass. Josmillo. Sumalinog ulit. Gomez. Blocked by Adolfo. Inangat ni Etucas. Back row, Oliveros. Josmillo. So Adolfo again. Ronquillo naman. Good pass by Diaz. A tip by Adolfo. Longest rally of the set. Sumalinog. Pinasa ni Oliveros. Kia Gomez. Abellana with a great dig. Back row, Diaz. Overpass. Revy Salas. And that tip is right in the back row. Tinapos na ni Tin Brancola, finding that opening sa depensa ng BFP.
Good offense also shown by these two teams with that long rally on their end.
Six-point game. Short pass by Diaz. Adolfo into the net. Nakapos sa talon si Adolfo. A little bit of fatigue setting in. Sa haba ng rallies here in set number 3.
And also, kanina pa rin si Adolfo playing for the BFP. No? Babad din siya dito sa larong ito.
That's right. 17 points already para kay Manny Adolfo. Sumalinog. Brancola. Nice Oliveros. And she scores.
Ito na, naghahanap na ng mga holes dito ang kupunan ng PNP.
Back-to-back points para kila Etucas and the Lady Patrollers now only down by 4. Magpantay with the receive. Sumalinog. Josmillo. Adolfo with a hit. Adolfo. Yes! Puntahan natin to report ni Ira Pablo.
Iba-iba talaga ang mga kwento ng mga nanay, and one of the unique stories here in the UVL is the story of Bance Hosmilio. So itong si Bance delivered her son, her 3-year-old son Dylan, through AI or artificial insemination. So dito sa Pilipinas, ginawa yung procedure na yon, and dahil nga sa kagustuhan niyang maging nanay ay she resorted to AI. So she values her son very much, and talagang she celebrates being a mother ngayong Mother's Day. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Great story about Hosmilio. And the trials, pinagdaanan niya to become a parent. Diaz off the block. What a dig there on a save by Gomez, and the tip by Oliveros. Make it a 3-point game.
Little by little, umahabol dito ang kupunan ng PNP because of the errors here of the BFP. They're just down by 3 points here.
Good serve by Bangcola. Hosmilio with a tip. Inangat ni Limsiaco. Gomez will set it to Oliveros. Oliveros now with 9 points. Another easy over para sa BFP. Oliveros looking for point number 10. Not just yet. Good save para sa Lady Firefighters. Gomez. Block. Battle at the net. And pupuntos na naman ang PNP. They are now within 2 points.
Hindi lang maganda yung timing nilang dalawa ni Adolfo here in the Hosmilio trying to block for that ball. Hindi sila nagkasabay kasi sa pagtalon.
Madalugdog in the game for the first time. There she is. Para sa Lady Firefighters, upo muna si Diaz. PNP on a run. From down 7, they are within 2. Madalugdog with the tip. Chance to make it a 1-point game. Here it is. Gomez with 8 points. Natawag ng timeout, Coach Franz Bautista. Her 7-point lead is down to 1.
Pinagigigilan nyo eh. Huwag yung pahirapan kunin yung puntos natin, ha? Bantay sa drop, bantayan nyo, abangan nyo yung hulog ng bola. Yung mga nagbablock, abangan nyo naman yung balik ng bola natin. Uno, Maya. Huwag natin titigan yung bola, ha? Hindi nalapit sa atin, sabi ko sa inyo. Habulin natin kung kaya habulin, ha? Labanan natin. Balik natin yung laro. Gapango, huwag lang laruin yung laro. Pwedeng laban, hindi namin kailangan ng perfect, basta lumaban, ha? Let's go! Huwag bang gigigil. Kunin natin tong set na to, ha? Fire!
Moral check! Oo, kailangan lang talaga yung relax sila, yung hindi sila nanggigigil para hindi din lumalabas yung kanilang mga bola. At parang katulad nung sinabi ni Coach Rod on the PNP side, no, blockers din sila din on their part, no. Ang babantayan din nila dito is the blockers here ng kupunan ng Lady Patrollers.
Bangcola serving very well. Abellana, a short pass. Adolfo. Bangcola sets it. Oliveros with a tip. Pero may lifting violation kontra kay Oliveros. So dun magtatapos yung kanilang run. And it's back to a 2-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. Bangcola, kakausapin nating first referee. Getting clearance tungkol dun sa lifting violation itinawag kay Oliveros. Good serve again. Gomez, cross court, got it.
A nice set also given by Team Bangcola, no? Talagang pinatalikod niya yung bola for them to be able to attack that ball.
Di na nagpapaiwan ang Lady Patrollers dito. Just down by 1 point. Abellana. Limsiaco pops it up. Ronquillo. Nice up. Para kay Sumalinog. Battle at the net. Oliveros ties the game and wins the tip kontra kay Madalugdog.
Naunahan kasi ng blocker ng PNP. Itong si Madalugdog, no? Kaya agad na i-drop yung bola.
Oliveros now in double digits with 10. One of 2 players in double digits para sa Lady Patrollers. Yung isa si Ronquillo also with 10 points. Short pass. Adolfo. Bangkola passes. There's a hit by Hazel Magpantay, who's in the game for the first time. And there's another point. Tuloy-tuloy ang pag-arangkada ng PNP and they take the lead. 18-17 here in set number 3.
Rescue right there from these two players at the back, no? Itong si Josmilio and another player, no? Nagkasabay sila ng takbo dun sa bola din eh. Nagkabanggaan sila.
Yung replay niya was a previous player sa block on Matalogdog. And it's a 2-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers, 19-17.
We now have the PNP leading on this set, no?
Samantala, magbabalik sa floor si Diaz and Madalugdog will check out. She has struggled in her first few minutes on the floor. Diaz with the pass. Adolfo. Hazel Magpantay with the tip. Tinangat ni Sumalinog. Another great dig, this time by Tin Bangkola. Magpantay ulit. Josmilio. Back to Abellana with the tip and the point.
Naisahan naman ni Abellana ngayon ng PNP dahil walang tao, no? Near that, just behind those blockers.
So natapos yung 3-point run ng PNP, but naghahabol ang BFP dito down by 1 point. Oliveros now with 11.
It went through the blockers of the BFP.
(20 serving 18, 2-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Josmilio to Mamangon. Hinangat ni Ronquillo. Ronquillo blocked by Mamangon. And it's back to a 1-point game. Good serve by Diaz. And that's an ace, almost. Good effort by Ronquillo. And naitawid niya Tukas. Mamangon. Pinangat ni Gomez. Ronquillo into the net. Napagod din sa paghabol ng bola. And just like that, a 2-point run by the Lady Firefighters. And the game is tied at 20.
Pentic coming in for the BFP. Replacing Sumalinog here. Diaz para sa ating serve.
Another good serve, almost. This one into the net. Para kay Diaz, umabalik ang kalamangan sa Lady Patrollers, 21-20. Hazel Magpantay serving. Abellana. Got it.
Ang ganda ng swing of the arm there of Abellana to deliver that cross-court attack.
Sabi ni Coach Rod, outside daw eh.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi natin nakita sa replay. Anyway, the point given to BFP. We're tied at 21. Magpantay, inangat. Here comes Ronquillo through the double block and the lead magbabalik sa PNP 22-21.
Yung pag-reach ni Abellana did not do any good for the BFP, no? Kasi it went more outside for them.
Served by Ronquillo. Bentic. Little off-speed touch para kay Bentic, just coming off the bench to tie the game at 21. Bentic now with 7.
In fact, it was not a direct hit coming from Bentic, no? May konting angle pa, very slow pa yung ball, pero hindi naka-respond agad dito ang Lady Patrollers.
22 all. Ganda ng palitan ng parehong koponan. Bangkola, Gomez. Nice dig para kay Abellana. Here comes Bentic, underhand pass. Chance ball para sa PNP, Bangkola. And that is outside from Tukas. Lalamang ang Lady Patrollers up by 1, 23-22. Big serve coming up para kay Mamangun. Good pass by Limsiaco. Here comes Gomez. What a dig para kay Abellana. Spinning. Bentic with another off-speed hit. And it's 2 set points para sa Lady Patrollers. Timeout. Si Coach Ron Pinalba. Take another look at this gorgeous shot by Bentic.
Sa magandang deliver. Ayun, may receipt naman eh. May set naman. Huwag manggigil. Mag-isip. Ano na yun?
Magkatrabahuan natin to. Hindi sila mag-error. Hindi tayo bibigyan ng puntos. Paghihirapan natin. Paghihirapan natin. Trabaho! PNP!
Wala pa.
Relax lang.
Gawin mo na.
8 seconds. Isa lang yan Isa na lang yan Huwag nyo lang pahabulin Tagain nyo na sa receive. Paluin.
Guys, kapitan natin to ha.
Pag tumalsik habang tayo lahat.
Napapansin nyo ba? Lahat sila naka-atras na agad sa depensa. Bukas sa
Let's go. Kapitan na natin, guys. Atin to.
BFP is hoping to be able to close this set, no? Nandito na sila sa ating set point ngayon, no? And on the side of the PNP, a lot of motivation also coming from the coaching staffs right there.
All right. 2 set points para sa Lady Firefighters. Gomez looking to save one. Atake ngayon, Hosmilio. Bentic for the win. The tip. Bangkola to Gomez. Off-speed naman ni Gomez. Inangat ni Mamangun. Bentic, this time, sumalinog with a push. Limsiaco passes. Etuka sets it for Gomez. And that is on the line. 1 set point save by Kia Gomez. Sakto. 23 serving 24. May isang set point pa ang Lady Firefighters. Here we go. Bentic. Pass by Etukas. Oliveros. Yes! Oliveros saves the second and final set point. We're tied at 24.
Kahabol pa dito ang koponan ng PNP, no? Yan yung sinasabi kanina for the PFP. Let's listen into this time out.
Kapitan. Di pa yan tapos. Ang haba-haba pa niyan. Diba? Pusuan lang. Kapitan nyo lang talaga. Sipagan nyo. Isang receive na maayos pag nabigyan ng chance na maganda ang set, paluin na. Huwag na tayong maawa. Bigwasan na kung bigwasan. Let's go! Focus tayo ang coverage nyo. Yung cross, yung zone 1. Let's go, fire!
Well, tense moments, Rina, para sa parehong koponan after a 2-point run to save 2 set points, PNP at ang BFP tied at 24 all. First to score 2 points dito. We'll get the win in set number 3, and more importantly, yun yung lalamang, 2 sets to 1.
So it's not easy to say to work hard on this ball game, no? Siguro double or even triple the effort here, especially you're going up against the #1 team here and a team who has just beaten a champion team also.
Yun lang ang masakit. Etuka serves into the net, so aangat ulit to set point ang Lady Firefighters, 25-24. Big serve coming up para kay Bentic. Short pass, an easy over, pagkakataon umatake for the Lady Firefighters. Adolfo with a push, Bangkola, inangat ni Etukas, another easy over. Bentic, a wild pass. That could have been outside. Oliveros papalo, inangat ni Abellana. Diaz at the net. Oh, nobody there!
Nobody was in position for the BFP, no? Ang ganda na sana ng save nila dun sa bola nila kanina, pero hindi lang nakabalik in position yung players doon.
So, set point is saved. We're tied at 25. Maya Noel magpantay with the receive. Chance ball para sa PNP. Their opportunity to go to set point. Not yet. Josmillo, another easy over. Oliveros, dump. Abellana, the tip there. And Oliveros with the error. Hindi makaangat sa set point ang Lady Patrollers. This is gonna be set point number 3 para sa Lady Firefighters after that upcoming error. Makikita nyo yan. Galing kay Oliveros.
Kumabit pa, hindi pa naging right timing yung kanyang pagtalon dun sa bola, no, sa net.
Josmillo, may 3 aces na yan. Pangcola. Gomez is blocked! Diaz with a kill block! It falls in! And the Lady Firefighters win extended set number 3. Panoorin natin kung saan bumagsak yan. Oh, it's clearly in. It's not even on the line. Sa pang-angulo, pero we might not see where it lands there. Oh, hindi, not here is a better shot. Kung saan babagsak. Wala. Oh, right on the line. It's right on the line. So, Coach Rod Pinalba, pinanood pa yung replay right in front. Para sigurado lang. So, it is without a doubt. It's a 2-1 advantage para sa Lady Firefighters after winning that extended set number 3. Set number 4 coming up pagkatapos ng ilang sandali. Sa black one, patalang ito. Yes! And it's still para sa Lady Patrollers. Fox by Lucas Oliveros. Intense battle in the last 2 sets sa pagitan ng Lady Patrollers at Lady Firefighters. But ang BFP ang lalamang going into set number 4. They're up 2-1 against the league-leading PNP. Tingnan natin yung ating mga numero. More aggressive ang Lady Patrollers with the attacks. Pero depensa at the net, lamang ang BFP. And then the errors ng Lady Patrollers, they gave up 3 easy points. And in a very close game like this, 3 points is a really big deal. And that is why nakakuha ng 2-point win in the end ang BFP kontra sa PNP going into set number 4. Babalik tayo sa Paco Arena. Happy Mother's Day sa ating mga manonood. This is the second round of the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Top 2 teams right now seeing action. Ranked number 1 ang PNP coming into today's game. Ranked number 3 naman ang ating BFP. And they want to maintain their position. Especially itong BFP, they want to bring down itong PNP with a win here today. And that will be big coming off a win kontra sa AFP. That'll mean they have taken down the top 2 teams ng ating Season 2.
And that's right, no? If the BFP will be able to win this ball game, they will secure the number 2 spot in the team standings ngayon. Mas mataas na sila dun sa AFP ngayon. But still, a 1-game leading pa rin itong kupunan ng PNP here.
There's a nice hit on the cross court para kay Abellana. Catches the line for the first point ng Lady Firefighters. Saktong-sakto yun. Pinabayaan ni Ronquillo, thinking it was gonna be outside. Josmillo, 3 points all mula sa aces. Short pass. Hazel magpantay. Bentik, hindi nakuha yung dig. And magpantay with her. That's gotta be her first point of the game.
A welcome back point para dito kay Hazel magpantay, no?
Pia Gomez at 1-all. Abellana. Ronquillo inangat. Bangcola. Magpantay ulit with the push this time. Easy pickup para kay Bentik. Adolfo with a power push. Ronquillo. Inangat ni Bentik. What a save by Abellana. But a chance ball. Limsiaco passes to Bangcola. Nasa gitna si Oliveros. That is gonna go in.
But time around, si Abellana hindi na nakafocus going back, no? So, she did not see, no? Na dun babagsak yung bola. Right beside her.
Oliveros, 13. Ronquillo, 13. Gomez, Gis. So, 3 players in double digits para sa Lady Patrollers. Samantala, 2 players in double digits para sa BFP. Isa doon si Adolfo. Adolfo with 20. And si Mamangon with 10.
Ang bilis nung bolang yon coming from Adolfo, no? Kaya hindi agad naka-ready doon si Bangcola at saka si Magpantay.
2-all. Pero Adolfo with her 6th error of the game.
I saw kanina during the timeout, no, ang dami nag-a-ice nung kanilang mga shoulder dito sa kupunan ng BFP. Siguro napagod na sila. Ang dami kasi nung mga attacking binigay nila on that last set. Tsaka it's important for them to really ice that, no, para maiwasan nila yung pain or yung pagod din dun sa kanilang mga shoulders.
As a net touch, itatawag sa Lady Patrollers. All. Hazel Magpantay. Second point para kay Magpantay.
Sumabit pa ng konti sa net, but it brought good for Hazel Magpantay.
Four, 3 lamang ang PNP. Abellana. What a dig para kay Diaz. Bentic. Good save by Ronquillo. Hahabol si Bangcola pero mukhang hindi tatawid yung bola.
Ang ganda also ng spin ng bola coming from Bentic, no? Nung pinag-glide pa niya ng konti dun sa net.
For all. Abellana with 8 points, 7 attacks, 1 ace. Ronquillo. Outside. No, actually it's in pala. Ito yung isang save kanina na hindi tumawid para kay Bangcola. So PNP lalamang off that hit by Ronquillo who is serving. Chance ball para sa Lady Patrollers. Bangcola this time to Gomez with the left hand. Overpassed by Bentic. Mamangon, got it.
Yung back row defense ng PNP na challenge that time by the Lady Firefighters.
11 para kay Mamangon who is serving now. Mamangon 9 attacks, 2 blocks. Gomez. Two-handed dump. Inangat ni Bentic. Adolfo. Ronquillo. Almost an overpass. Here comes Bentic. Ronquillo with a dig. And that is definitely an overpass. Adolfo nasa gitna. Another overpass. Binalik ni Bentic. Good coverage. Gomez cross court. Diaz pops it up. Bentic. Limsiaco pops it up. Gomez. Mamangon. Adolfo ulit. And there's a lifting violation kontra kay Adolfo. PNP aangat ng isa. 6-5. Etukas serving. Etukas with 2 points. Bentic. Inangat ni Hazel Magpantay. Here comes Gomez again. What a dig. Coming from Diaz. Oliveros. Ronquillo underhand set. Bentic with the tip. Bangcola. Easy over para kay Hazel Magpantay. Oh! Double contact. Itatawag kay Josmilio. That's going to be a 2-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers.
Sayang yon yung run and play by the PFP right there. Pero it had to stop right there.
Papahinga muna si Josmilio and the second setter si Kaiglet is in the game for the first time today. 7 serving 5. That's Maya Noel magpantay with the dig. Hazel magpantay. Sa kabila naman, Oliveros running attack is good. Pero may net touch din. Itatawag dito sa Lady Firefighters. So lalamang ng 3 ang Lady Patrollers.
Back-to-back errors for the BFP Lady Firefighters.
Puntahan natin itong report ni Ira Pablo.
College pa lang nagsimula ng maglaro itong si Vance Hosmilio at nagtapos siya sa Faith University at may exposure talaga siya sa mga collegiate volleyball after playing for the NCAA South. So right after college ay pumasok na agad siya sa BFP back in 2017 at naka-assign siya sa Batangas Station, sa Cuenca Fire Station. So she started out as a fire truck driver. Tapos ngayon all around na daw sila doon sa fire station helping out kung saan na destination ang kailangan ng tulong. Pero ngayon dahil UVL nandito siya sa Manila ngayon para tumulong dito sa BFP Lady Firefighters. But after this league ay babalik siya sa Batangas kung saang station siya nakadestino. Balik sa inyo.
Alright, maraming salamat, Ira. Oliveros, outside.
Too strong, no? Coming from the PNP right there. Yung pagod is setting in also for the team right now.
So after leading by 2, didikit ang BFP. It's actually a tied game, and now 3-point run naman para sa Lady Firefighters to take the lead, 9-8.
Hindi kasi maganda yung pagkakapwesto ni Tin Bangcola, no? Hinabol pa niya yung bola para ma-set niya yun.
Bentik. Better pass. Oliveros. Nope. Now, lalabang ang Lady Firefighters by 2. 4 straight points na ipuntos ng BFP. Oliveros. Bentik inangat. Kainglet sets it up. Adolfo. Ronquillo. Hazel magpatay. Mag-set to Gomez. Abellana. With a little help from the net. Timeout, Coach Rod Pinalo after that point. The 8th point of Abellana, aangat ng 3 ang BFP kontra sa PNP.
Ma'am, tsagain nyo lang. Huwag nyo madalin yung puntos. Hindi pa naman isang puntos, 25 na agad, ha? Tsagain lang natin, isa-isa lang, ha? May receive naman eh, may ano naman eh, may palo naman eh, ha? May pagpuligan sila. Tsagain lang, ha? Tsagain lang. One by one lang. May receive naman, may palo. Set lang. Sige lang. Pumapabor lang sa kanila eh. 3 lang yan, 3 ha. 3. Bawi lang. Minutalo natin ang magandang machine para maganda.
Go. Hey, PNP! Hirap tayo pumunta, so natin pamigay.
At the start, kanina nga, sinabi rin ni Coach Rod, no? Na kailangan yung mga ready sila to be able to receive, to attack, to block dito sa kupunan ng BFP kasi iba rin talaga yung ipinapamalas dito na wittiness ng kupunan ng Lady Firefighters. Ang galing ng balik ng bola din coming from the BFP.
11 serving 8. Another short pass. Gomez. Cut shot for the side out.
Galing ng spin ng bola coming from Gomez, no? Hindi siya tumama directly doon sa gitna ng hand niya, doon sa gilid ng hand niya, but it just went in.
Bad pass. That's an easy point. Ace para kay Bangcola. 2 straight points para sa Lady Patrollers. And they are 1 point away from tying the game. Diaz. Oliveros. Inangat ni Kainglet. Easy over mula kay Diaz. Chance to attack. Hazel magpantay. Inangat ni Maya Noel magpantay. Adolfo. Ronquillo pops it up. Gomez. Bentic with a dig. The pass by Kainglet. Oliveros with the left hand. Inangat ni Adolfo. And nagkalituhan doon si Bentic at si Maya Noel magpantay. Slow getting up but she's okay.
That tip coming from Adolfo, napalikod yung bola nila, nagkalituhan yung dalawang players nila, and almost nag-hit yung head ng isang player for the BFP on the floor.
So 3 straight points na i-score dito ng PNP. Game is tied at 11. Gomez. Kainglet on a 1-2 play. Gomez with the pickup. Magpantay for the lead. Inangat ni Adolfo. Diaz. Ronquillo. Aatake na naman ng Lady Patrollers. Gomez. Cross court. Bentic with the pass. Abellana. Ronquillo has been defending very well mula sa back row. Oliveros. Down by magpantay. Bentic mula sa back row. Kapos. 4 straight points scored by the Lady Patrollers. Lalamang sila ng isa.
Medyo nakulangan sa power dito si Bentic to be able to deliver that ball.
Sa timeout naman ngayon si Coach Bautista. They are down by 1.
Tingnan muna kayo. Huwag nagmamadali. Back to basic tayo, back to basic tayo.
Isa lang yan, isa lang. Huwag kayo ma-prostrate. Okay lang yan. Ahabol at ahabol yan.
Dito. Uulitin ko, wag kayo ma-prostrate. Kasi natural lang madidepensahan kayo, ha? Pero huwag kayo magpapadala sa emosyon ng kabila. Nanggigigil kayo eh. Isa-isa. Receive ng maayos, pag napagbigyan ng maayos na set, aluin. Ha? Sige, hinga-hinga. Bawi tayo agad. Isa lang yan. Isa lang. Tapusin na natin. Okay, tapusin na natin. Let's go. Kapitan natin to. Fire!
It's all about also mental toughness para din sa kupunan ng BFP, no? To focus harder and stay strong on this game na kahit lamang dito ang PNP, kailangan wag silang magpatinag dito sa mga ataking binabato sa kanila ng PNP.
Angcola serving very well. Adolfo. Chance ball para sa Lady Firefighters. Let's see if they can get a side out dito. There it is! Fanny Adolfo finally getting a side out para sa BFP to tie the game at 12.
Adolfo attacking Salas right there.
21 para kay Fanny Adolfo. And now Kainglet serving. Hazel magpantay. Inangat ni Bentic. Diaz. Limsiaco pops it up. Tia Gomez. Bentic. Kainglet. To Abellana. Inangat ni Bangcola. Limsiaco passes to magpantay. The push. Maya Noel magpantay. Here's Adolfo with an easy over. Abellana ulit. The tip. Yes!
Parang nagiging patalinuhan na lang itong larong to because itong dalawang kupunan na to, they all have the individual skills here, no? Andun yung teamwork also on the part of BFP and PNP. Pero kung sino na lang yung mas magiging matalino dito, bringing the ball to the gaps into the holes here.
2-point run para sa Lady Firefighters. Gomez. Blocked. Kainglet. And another point para kay Fanny Adolfo. It's a 3-point run para sa Lady Firefighters to lead by 2.
Adolfo right now with that performance, no? 22 points na siya, no? On our game today as compared to her first appearance against the PNP na 10 points lang yung naibigay niya para sa kanyang kupunan.
Pagpantay. Inangat ni Diaz. Abellana sends it over. Limsiaco passes. Hazel magpantay ulit. And Maya Noel magpantay. Hindi na control yung bola. And side out para sa PNP. It's a 1-point game. Kainglet to Abellana. Pangkola. And Ronquillo is blocked.
Nabasa agad ng BFP yung magiging move there ni Ronquillo, no? Ni Mila Ronquillo. If you're BFP right now, you wanted to protect the lead para hindi na kayo mag-proceed pa dun sa ating fifth set, which is another how many minutes of that game, and alam nilang mapapagod lang sila if they will go into a fifth set here. So it's a must-end set para dito sa kupunan ng BFP, who's on the lead right now by 2.
Oliveros with the serve. Got the side out kanina. Ronquillo papalo to tie the game. Kainglet. Mamangon. Inangat ni Gomez. A tough get, but a save by Gomez. Rally continues. Diaz. Etukas, that's outside, but there's a touch. No, may overrule ang first referee. So, babalik sa dalawa ang kalamangan dito ng Lady Firefighters.
Let's take a look at that play.
I don't know if there was a touch, but the play continues. Mamangon, and that is an overreach. Itatawag kay Bangkola. Kasi nakatawid na yung bola and she tried to get it. Tingnan natin dito. Oo, okay, parang nakimamangon na ngayon. She's a back row player as well. Puntahan natin itong report ni Ira Pablo.
Fanny Adolfo is one of the regional players na hinintay ng BFP para kumumpleto sa kanilang koponan. So I believe she missed the first 3 games para dito sa BFP. So she came from the University of Cebu. Naglaro siya para sa CESAFI. And even though the UVL is the first televised games or first televised experience para dito kay Fanny Adolfo, hindi daw siya nakaramdam ng kahit anong pressure nung first time niya maglaro dito sa UVL dahil back in Cebu, sumasali siya sa mga liga-liga at mas marami pa daw yung mga tao, mas maingay. So she's really used to playing in front of an audience. Para sa kanya, kung wala nga daw tao at hindi daw maingay, doon pa daw siya hindi sanay. Balik sa inyo, Eric and Miss Rina.
Maraming salamat, Ira. And ang ganda nga ng performance ni Fanny Adolfo. 22 points. Parang tulungang umarangkada dito ang Lady Firefighters. Up by 5 timeout para sa PNP.
Huwag niyong intindihin yung score, maglaro lang kayo. Okay. Habol po, kaya pa yan, no?
Tara.
5 lang yan, eh.
Wala yung agresibo tayo, binubugbog tayo. Kailangan agresibo tayo, laban tayo, fight back.
Huwag naman lumoral kagad.
Tara! Fight back! Cheer up! Hey! Ready!
Si Bangkola, you love na she's trying to lift the spirits ng kanyang teammates. You know? She's smiling, she is telling them na huwag tayo papadown. Samantalang itong BFP, good run, very solid performance, and not getting affected sa atake ng PNP, and always been able to find ways to score by other offense.
Oh, in fact, dapat nga ang confidence will be on the side of the PNP because they're leading in the team standings right now. And it's something na nawawala dun sa kanilang kupunan, no? Dahil sunod-sunod na errors na nagagawa nila dito. At ngayon, napalayo na nila yung lamang dito by as much as 5 points, no? Kontra sa BFP.
Pagpantay, that's an easy over. Chance to score again. Abellana. Got it! 6-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. Ito ang pinakamalaking kalamangan nila in set number 4.
Mas mabilis na yung naging atake ni Abellana kaysa dun sa kamay na sasalo ni Team Bangkola.
Lady Firefighters 5 points away from winning against the #1 team ng ating Season 2. Mamangun. Gomez pops it up. Oliveros to Ronquillo. Underhand pass. Chance to attack. Lady Firefighters, they go to Abellana. And yes, Abellana with back-to-back points. 13 para kay Abellana and a 7-point lead para sa Lady Firefighters. Wala na pong timeout si Coach Rod Pinalba. Yun ang malaking problema dito para sa PNP. Good serve. Pantay. That's gonna be outside. And that will probably be the beginning of the end. Nagsasaya na ang bench ng Lady Firefighters there. Up by 8 points. 3 points away from taking down the #1 team sa Season 2. Bangkola. Etukas. Yes! Much needed side out para sa Lady Patrollers, but they're still down big time.
They have to focus harder and slow down dito, no? Dapat maiwasan na yung mga errors para dito sa kupunan ng PNP kung gusto pa nila makahabol in this set.
Pantay with the serve. Tip by Bentic. Overpass by Hazel Magpantay kay Inglet. Tumamangun. Yes! And again, no more timeouts dito para kay Coach Rod Pinalba. Kaya they will have to play on and play through kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan nila dito. They're back down by 8. Lady Firefighters 2 points away from a 4-set win.
Na-excite na agad yung bench ng BFP right here because they're 2 points away, no, from getting this set. But that one, it's a point for the PNP dahil masyadong malakas yung naging service doon ng BFP.
Abellana with a 3rd straight service fault. Ronquillo. Bad pass. Chance ball para sa Lady Patrollers. Gomez. Block. Wow. Even on a chance ball, hindi makapuntos dito ang Lady Patrollers. And it is 8 match points para sa Lady Firefighters in set number 4.
Look at their faces right now. Parang nagwagi na sila in a championship beating this 2 veteran teams already, no? Una sa AFP ngayon. If possible, the PNP naman.
And it is possible. Fanny Adolfo with 24 points. And the Lady Firefighters erasing any doubt that they are a weak team dito sa Season 2. They've beaten the top 2 teams 2 consecutive game days. A 3-set win against the AFP and a 4-set win against the league-leading PNP Lady Patrollers.
And now the PFP will climb up in our team standings. They will be at number 2 following PNP right now. Na ngayon, 2 beses nang nagkaroon ng dumi ang record itong kupunan ng PNP, no? Courtesy by the BFP, of course. So congratulations for a job well done para sa kupunan ng BFP.
What a game! Lady Firefighters burning everyone in their path dito sa Season 2 ng UNTV, and our best player, I think, si Abellana.